guys and girls, I'm excited to do this color spotlight today about the TressAllure Chiffon Candy color. So let's take a closer look at this color and explore why it's such a popular shade. Chiffon Candy has a light golden brown base and nape with golden blonde highlights and a medium golden brown root. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. I love this color, and it can be a substitute for some of the wig industry's most popular colors. Envy's Sparkling Champagne or John Renault's FS8 Shaded Praline. These are interchangeable, so if you're ever looking for another style in a very similar color to those, this is it. I hope you found this color spotlight of Chiffon Candy helpful. Please subscribe, as I will have more color spotlights in the future, as well as wig reviews and wig product reviews. Subscribing is free and you will get an alert every time I upload a new video. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.